The National Weather Service has issued a The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Reno County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pretty Prairie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. You can expect tornado and golf ball size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Reno County, including the following locations: Cheney Lake and Cheney State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.